Hey guys, so starting in 2020, maybe even a little bit this month, I want to start vlogging a little bit, mainly about planner stuff, of course, and like behind the scenes of a shop owner and stuff like that. So for today, there's a few things I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's a little chit chat, a little sharing. On the 14th of November was my birthday, so I wanted to share with you guys some planner stuff that I got. I thought that would be fun. And then also, I went to LA. I went to SoCal during Thanksgiving week, and I got to see Paper Panda. So I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up from her. I'll show you some pictures that I took with Emma, who is the owner, and excuse me, and some clips I got of her shop. So I guess first I will show you, since my birthday came first before the trip, I'll show you the stuff that I got for my birthday. So first of all, I'm on my bed here because I needed a big space for all this. I got this and this from my son. These are from Teresa Collins, and I love them so much. So this is a canvas with a really pretty gold frame. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet because I didn't want it to get damaged when we were traveling. But it says do what you love, which I really love that sentiment, and I'm going to hang it at my desk. And so this is how the back looks like. Comes already with the thing for you to hang, and it's just so pretty. I love how simple it is, and the gold frame looks really pretty. You can see it shining there. Excuse me. I think I'm getting a little cold, so sorry if my throat, if my voice sounds funny. But anyways, he got me this along with this canvas bag. This is a black canvas bag. It has these gold handles, and then it also says do what you love. My sister-in-law also got me this bag. They both didn't know they were getting it for me. My sister-in-law got me this bag along with the really pretty blush pink blazer, which is totally out of my comfort zone. But I'm trying to step up my game for 2020. So yeah, I really love these a lot. A reminder to always like chase my goals and dreams, do it with passion, do what I love, and all that. So one of my favorite birthday gifts. And then my other sister-in-law got me an Erin Condren planner. And so I kind of talked about this on Instagram, that I am going to be playing around with the Erin Condren planner. It's a surprise what I'm going to be doing with this and a couple of other planners. The Erin Condren, Hobonichi Weeks, and Happy Planner. Maybe Traveler's Notebook. I'm not sure about the Traveler's Notebook yet, but I'm going to be doing some fun projects with those. So anyways, this is an old cover I had. The one she got me came with a floral cover. And this is actually 2019 to 2020 because it was kind of hard for people that don't know Erin Condren. It's kind of hard to tell them or put on your wish list, go to Erin Condren and this is how you personalize it and this is how you choose this and that. So I thought it'd be easier just to find one on Amazon and put on my wish list. And then so she did get it for me, and the only ones they had on Amazon was the 2019 to 2020 right now. So I just went ahead and got that because this is more so for a project I'm having, so the dates don't matter as much. So I had a floral cover and I switched out with this cover, which I've had since a year or two ago. And it's just another reminder for me to, while I'm hustling, make sure my heart's always in it. I love this quote. This is a rose gold coil, and yeah, it's the neutral vertical. And so stay tuned for that, for some fun stuff I'm gonna be doing with that. So yeah, I got this for my birthday, and then I got other things for my birthday too, but I'm just showing you guys the planner related stuff. And then I got this for my birthday. Not everything inside of it, but this Still bag from Still Classics. I'll link all the shops down below, but I've been eyeballing this bag since it launched on her website, and I just never pulled the trigger to get it, and my husband got it for my birthday. It's already filled with stuff because I used this while we were traveling. He also got me the clear zipper pouch thing. So that's a good transition into our travels for Thanksgiving. I wanted to share with you guys. So I took this bag with me, my brand new birthday present, and I just love the way it looks. This is exactly how I had it packed. That's the front. That's the back. So I'll show you what I carried inside. So this is exactly how I had it packed. I had all my like work and planner stuff in here that I wanted to take with me. My planner and my iPad were not in there because I carried that in my bag. This is Michael Kors. I don't know if it's available anymore. I think I got it like a year ago or something like that. And I carry my planner in here and my iPad in here. So I don't carry it in here because I always carry it in my bag, but the extra stuff I carry in here. So let me just show you what I have in here. So of course, first I have my laptop. I try to do minimal work while on Thanksgiving break because I was trying to spend time with family, especially we were in SoCal visiting my son. But late at night when everyone was sleeping, I did try to sneak in a little bit of work, so I brought my laptop. And then what I carried my chargers in for everything, my laptop and oops, it's getting stuck here. My laptop and phone and all that, I actually used this case. So along with this bag, my husband got me the, I think she calls it the expose case. And I don't know if I'm gonna always use the expose case for my cords, but for this trip I did, and it just worked perfectly. Such a chic way to carry your chargers. But my laptop charger was also in here, and then my phone and my watch. So it's super cute. I love this case a lot. And so I don't know, I think it's too cute just to hold chargers, so I might use it for something else, but for this trip I used it for my chargers. And then what I also brought with me, of course, is my sticker book with all my favorite and most used stickers from my shop, just for planning on the go. And this is the old sticker book that went out with one of the subs stationery kits last year, and I think it was last year, and I really love it a lot. I do have the thicker sticker book that I showed you guys in a previous video, and I do love those a lot, but it's not as travel friendly as this one because this one's super thin, easy to grab, and the other ones are a little bit thicker and I had to grab it in some weird kind of way. So this is just a lot more low maintenance for me, so I took that with me. And I also took my planner pouch. So I've shown this in videos before. This is part of one of our sub boxes or sub kits, and in here I just have some Tombow pens, my little scissors, a friction eraser, and some washi tape just in case I needed it. So that's all I have in there. And then lastly, I brought along all the stuff for the subscriptions, like the sticker subscriptions and the stationery kit subscription for November, because I was planning to try to take photos and film a sub reveal while in SoCal, but that didn't really work out because we were all in a small apartment. I tried to kick them out a few times so I could film a video, but they weren't having it. So I brought this. I wasn't able to film, but I did bring it with me in this plastic envelope that I got on Amazon. And so I used it to carry the new releases in there for filming. So that's all I brought to LA in this bag. Here's what the bottom looks like. I love it. Everything felt so chic, so pretty. Of course, because it's clear and being the personality that I am, everything had to look really cute in there, not like a jumbled mess, but it did look super cute. So that's what I got for my birthday, and that's what I brought on my trip. And then, like I mentioned, on my trip, I made a point to go see Emma from Paper Panda at her open market OC shop. So she has a shop there in this open market, and it was like an hour away from where we were staying, and we made the trek out because I really wanted to see her. I wanted to support her shop, and so I wanted to show you what I got. So first of all, she has this venture with her mom, Mama Panda, and I guess her mom does more lifestyle, like home kind of stuff, and she did this macrame with the plant inside, this little succulent. It was so cute, so I bought this. and we're gonna hang it next to my desk. So pretty. So Mama Panda did that. So they have a little thing where it's like planners mixed in with lifestyle stuff, like these kind of things, and shirts and some baskets and stuff for the home. So super cute. And then, so let's see here. Let me show you. I got these buttons. This panda button, of course, represents for my fellow shop owner, boss babe Emma. And then I got this little plant thing that says thirsty. I'm so uncool. I'm like, I thought thirsty means like you're going after it, you're really hungry for it. But then I think my son told me it's kind of like you're, I don't know, desperate or something. I don't know, but I thought it was super cute with this little plant. And then I got these stickers. Always gotta get the Coco Chanel, love it. Also, my daughter's nickname is Coco, so it has double importance for me. And then I got this sticker, What Would Blair Waldorf Do? From Blair is from Gossip Girl, my favorite character in Gossip Girl, and I love her. And so I thought this was super cute. These are vinyl stickers. So my daughter bought a whole bunch actually to put on her Nintendo Switch case and her Hydro Flask. I also got this freebie for purchasing, and this is a drawing by a Paperella story, I think, and it's super cute. It's Mr. Panda and Emma there. And then I picked up a few of her mini sheets because I thought they were so cute. So I got, these are in pink and they're all foil. These flags, these little boxes, the bigger boxes, and then I got the same thing in marble. So the boxes, the flags, and the bigger boxes. Super pretty, and I love it. I'll put it in my card holder in my planner. And then I got this sticker kit, and it was on sale for $5 for the Black Friday sale. I'll open it up so you guys can see what was inside. So I've always been into plants, but I don't know how to take care of plants, and I don't care to take care of a bunch of plants. So I'd rather get stickers. And of course my little new succulent, which I heard is supposed to be really easy to take care of, so hopefully it won't die. But I'd rather get plant stickers because I do love plants. So that's the first sheet. This is the second sheet with like date covers, half boxes, some text arrows, bill due, work, and then some just text stickers, little triangles, icons, checklists, quarter boxes, and then flags. These are half boxes, washi strip, washi strip, and more flags there. So yeah, it was super fun seeing Emma. Her shop is so cute. So pretty. They were so nice. Mama Panda was there. Emma's dad was there too, but he was somewhere off, so I didn't really get to see him that much, but I got to talk a lot with Emma and her mom, and I think it was her aunt or family friend or something was there, and we were all talking about like some of our favorite shows and having great laughs. So it was so fun. It was probably like one of the highlights of my trip, other than of course seeing my son and Thanksgiving. It was a highlight just because it was fun to see another planner girl, to see her shop, like a dream realized for her, to support a fellow planner girl, shop owner, and it was just super fun. I had a great time. So thank you, Emma, if you're watching, and can't wait to see you at PlannerCon.
I guess park somewhere around here.
So we're here, open market OC, about to go see Emma at Paper Panda. So excited! There's Coco. Let's go find Paper Panda. Hi! Here she is! Yeah, it was super fun, and I want to share more stuff like that with you guys in the upcoming vlogs, and behind the scenes of like the shop and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.